Hello, trading has closed on September 29th, 2021. We'll start with our disclaimer. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, September 30th. Please remember I can be completely wrong, and all trades should be at your own risk. Look for higher prices after yesterday's plunge, so we got that, but I said I wasn't too enthusiastic about playing the long side. And in fact, even though we traded higher, we didn't close higher. Doing this video early, I'm going to be pressed for time the next few trading days and won't have the amount of time I like to have before making my call. During the day, in the morning, we got an ultimate buy signal from MEJT, and that worked. We got the minimum and then traded over the minimum. The afternoon, MEJT said this drop wouldn't stick and it retraced. Also said this rally wouldn't stick and it retraced. There are far too many ways to count this. I don't think that Elliot's going to help us too much here. I did come up with this. We think we have 5 waves down. This could be an ABC, but as far as which degree it is, I don't know. If that's the next wave, we're going to just consolidate in the same area. If it's the start of a new impulse down, this was the end. I like to see a little more consolidation than this, but I don't always get everything I want, and I think all the surprises are going to be on the downside. Doesn't mean we have to go down tomorrow. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. It could give up. My signals are mixed, so we use the mixed signals rules. It's positive. Yesterday's plunge was followed by an inside A, so no follow through. Assuming we don't get down smartly, that usually leads to higher prices tomorrow. We have a wall into the close. It's usually panic selling, usually followed by gapping up, often followed by gapping up. And futures are higher as I'm recording this, so gapping and promptly overtaking today's high is plausible, not guaranteed, but plausible. And that's what bulls need to take us a bit higher, because it is bearish. Today's normally bullish pattern closed near its low. Either we gap and overtake today's high promptly, or else we should see lower prices tomorrow, regardless of how we close. Once again, I'm not going to have my normal amount of time to analyze things. I won't be able to follow the market closely through early October. I might not have a video every day. Anyone who wants to risk capital on my calls should be aware that I'm not playing with all my cards. So tomorrow has the early low. We have signals that are mixed. Most likely thing is we gap and promptly trade outside the day's range. To me, that's a wall into the close. I'd like to see us trade up. Resistance in the 43.90s, but there's nothing I have that precludes this from being the start of an impulse down. And even though that's not what I'd like to happen, I don't always get what I like, so we'll have to see how we open tomorrow. It's the early low pattern, and that's today's call.